What's up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So today you are going to see me do my side skirts that I already did, but I forgot to do an intro. So the reason I'm changing out my side skirts is because mine are from a few years ago, which was their first material that they used. So they use a lot better material, so we're gonna change that out today in this video. Obviously it's already done, but I'm disgusting and I forgot to do an intro. So we are changing those out because they were really wavy and I didn't like the material, so I needed to change them. I reached out and they were like, actually, we use different material now. So the material is the same as the splitter, super durable and super nice. So enjoy me installing those, and yeah, definitely go check them out. It's Street Arrow. I believe the link's down below. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Nothing too crazy, but it was time to change out my side skirts because these are junk. The material, they're like a matte finish, don't like them, and they were getting like super wavy on the car, so those are a lot better. So definitely go check them out down below. streetarrow.com. They have splitters, side skirts, some stuff for the diffuser to make your car a little bit more spicy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Nothing too crazy. We got the hood too. If you didn't see my last video, that's the new hood. I love it. But yeah, I guess that's really it. I have a very exciting video coming, hopefully in the next week, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. I'm very excited. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.